Hello, lovely people. Welcome once again to Abenasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my beef lasagna recipe. It is meaty, cheesy, and packed with so much flavor in every bite. Let's get started. I'll begin by adding a tablespoon of salt to a pot of water. I'll bring the water to a boil. Then I'll add 10 lasagna noodles. I'll cook it until it is al dente or according to the package instruction, and that should take about 7 to 10 minutes. I'll strain the pasta water and then I'll sprinkle some cold water on the pasta to stop it from cooking. I'll then transfer the pasta back into the pot and then I'll put some cold water to prevent it from sticking together. And for the meat sauce, I'll heat a tablespoon of olive oil and then I'll add in 1 pound of ground beef. You can use ground turkey also for this. I'll add in my chopped onions and then saute for about 5 minutes until the beef is no longer pink. I'll add in my chopped garlic, my beef bouillon, salt and black pepper, and then I'll give everything a mix. I'll let it saute for about 2 minutes and then I'll come in with my marinara sauce. I have about 24 ounces of marinara sauce. I'll rinse my bottle and then I'll put it back into the pot. I'll give everything a stir and then cover and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes. For the cheese sauce, I have ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, parsley, egg, and I'll combine everything together with Parmesan cheese and set that on the side. I'll be seasoning my sauce with oregano, thyme, black pepper, and salt. And then I'll come in with my fresh parsley and fresh basil. I'll give everything a mix. And I forgot one thing, my red pepper flakes, guys. Please don't leave that out. I'll allow this to simmer on a low heat for about 10 minutes, stirring periodically. And this is it, guys. The meat sauce is ready and I'm ready to assemble my lasagna and get it baking. In a 9 by 13 casserole dish, I'm starting with my meat sauce in the bottom and then I will put my lasagna noodles on top of the meat, just like so. You need about 3. And then I'll spread more of the meat sauce on the noodles. I'll spoon on and spread half of the cheese sauce on top just like so, and then I will sprinkle about a cup of mozzarella cheese on the cheese sauce. You can also do the mozzarella first and then the cheese sauce, either way. And then I'm going to repeat the same process with the noodles and then the meat sauce. And you need enough meat sauce to cover the noodles, guys, just like how you're seeing in the video. I'll sprinkle my mozzarella cheese and then I'll spoon on the rest of my cheese sauce, guys. This is so delicious and comforting. And then I'll repeat the same process again, but this time I have 4 noodles that's going on top, just like how you're seeing it. And I'll spread the meat sauce on top of the noodles and then I'll finish it with 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. You can add more mozzarella cheese if you prefer, guys. At this point in time, I'll poke about 6 toothpicks over the surface of the lasagna to keep the foil from sticking to the cheese. I'll cover with the foil and bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Please always preheat your oven before baking your lasagna. I've put aluminum foil inside the oven just in case any liquid falls inside the oven. It's been about 45 minutes. I'll broil my lasagna uncovered for 5 minutes. If you don't like your lasagna broiled on top, you can bake it for 10 more minutes. It's up to you guys. The lasagna is ready, guys. And before I garnish my lasagna, I'll remove the toothpicks out. Please do not forget the toothpicks in there. Garnish it with some parsley. If you have basil, you can also garnish it with basil. I'm just going to allow this to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes to cool before I serve, guys. This was the longest 15-20 minutes I've ever waited. It's been 15 minutes and the lasagna has cooled down, so I'm easily cutting this with a knife. You can make this for your family on Christmas. Yes, you can enjoy lasagna on Christmas Day. Okay, all you need is some garlic bread and salad with it. I'm ready to enjoy this, guys. This is so easy to follow. It is easy to make. The flavor is just perfect. Thank you guys so much for staying with me until this time. If you're a new subscriber, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you. God bless you. I appreciate you as well. If you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. You hit that post notification so anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thank you. God bless you. And please stay safe. Bye, guys.